Hi everyone, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and we have a Merit's P327 power chair here. This is known as the Vision Super, and it's made by Merit's Health. Really nice premium stitch seat on this one. They have several seat options, and it's a very, very dependable model. One thing we don't have is a video that shows you how to adjust the seat height or access the batteries in case you need to change your batteries. So we're going to do that today in this video and show you how it's done. You're going to need a screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head bit. And what we want to recommend doing first is put the seat down, make sure the power's off. And from the rear, if you look down here, there's a yellow switch. Now this yellow switch, you just want to go ahead and put that in the downward position and then tilt forward. And you'll see that this little thing gets unhooked. So if I push it back down, it's in, it's not coming out. So it's all about this yellow switch. You lift or you push that down and it comes unhooked. So now that it's unhooked, you're going to notice in the front there's actually two hooks, kind of like the way a mobility scooter disassembles. These hooks go across this bar. So I'm going to pick this up and you're going to see what I'm talking about. See, there are the two hooks that go onto the front bar. So I'm going to put the chair down, and that's the bar that the hooks were going on the front. This is the rear. Now these two bars are used for the seat to set on. So you can raise it or lower it on the front and the back by using the holes and pulling out these quick release pins. So you can bring it up higher, drop it down low. For this configuration, we had it so that it was level, which had one exposed hole in the front and two in the back. Two exposed holes in the back. So we just take note of that, and when you go to put it back together, you want to also take note of that. So I'm going to take it out completely. Do the same with the rear, which again, we have two holes exposed above the line. So we want to remember that. Make sure they go in the same way. And you've got three little turn knobs here, which you have to unlock. Give it a half rotation counterclockwise, and they'll unlock. The problem is you can't lift this piece up without removing these things. So it is kind of a pain, but you do have to remove these things so that the battery cover can actually clear the shroud. So I'm going to do that one at a time here. Just carefully not to strip anything. Get this one here. And last but not least. So once you've got all four of them off, you can see here that this comes out. And your batteries are right in here. You have a positive and a negative to one, which you unscrew. And this connector just comes right out. Unscrew all four. There's two batteries because it runs off of 24 volts. These are two 12-volt batteries. So really all you have to do is just unscrew these connectors, take them out, take the old battery out, put the new one in. There's a little strap here to keep it in place. You'll want to just go ahead and make sure that you unstrap it and strap in the new batteries. There's really not much else to it. I'm not going to actually replace these batteries because they're brand new batteries. But that's how you access the battery compartment. And you have a little diagram here that shows you that the positive has the fuse running through it. So just follow with the diagram. Like I said, remove the terminal connectors and put the new batteries in the exact same way, and you should be fine. So once you've got that done, just rinse and repeat in reverse. So we'll show you how, but essentially this video was made to just demonstrate how to adjust the height and how to access the batteries in case you need to change them. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm Sergio with mobilitydirect.com. Don't forget to claim your free catalog by clicking on the green button at the top of our website on every page that says free catalog. Should only take about a week to get to you.
That's not from Merritt's, is it? We sell them, but we have quite a few that drive here.
All right, cool. At this point, we're gonna pick the chair up. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.